Hey, my lovers, it's your girl Alana Love, and I am back again with a glitter video. Now, glitter is one of my favorite things, okay? One of my absolute favorite. I have found the plug, dog. The plug, okay? So, I get these glitters from superglitter.com. Superglitter.com has literally every single color you could possibly think of that you may want to have for a glitter. Let me tell you something. Like, I don't know how many I have. I think I have like 20 something, probably almost 30. Honey, every glitter that is on my eyes right now is from Super Glitters. They have glitter prisms, they have glitter metallics, they have glitter holographics, they have, I mean, like iridescence, the whole nine, literally. Like, and the real tea is that they're $1.25. $1.25. Jesus, $1.25. Um, who really can beat that? You could get a small one, which is this size right here, for $1, or you can get this size for $1.25. Okay, $1.25. Mm-hmm. $1.25. Right now, they're actually having a sale, and the sale is for the bitty jar. For the bitty jar, which is the teeny tiny one, is actually 89 cents, and the mini jar is 89 cents as well. So the Christmas sale is 89 cents for any size. So that is awesome. Now, just to pretty much go over like my personal experiences with these glitters. I'm just gonna say I absolutely love these glitters. They're really, really good. They stick on all day. They don't fall out. It's rare that you have any fallout with these glitters. I mean, of course you're gonna have regular fallout, but it's not like I'm sticking it on my eye and it's not sticking on my eye, nothing like that, nothing crazy. If you are gonna purchase from Super Glitters, then my recommendation is that you get the bigger one, because it makes more sense. Literally makes more sense. You get a lot of glitter. Like, this is a lot of glitter. I mean, it is what it is, honey, and I like them. I like them a lot. Other than that, I want to talk about a little bit of history with me in glitter. Now, when I first started doing my makeup and getting into, the groove of things, I was kind of like, oh, well, I want to try glitter, because I would see everybody with a glitter eye, and I'd be like, oh, that's so nice. Da, da, da. So I was like, okay, so what other glitter is there? I didn't know about cosmetic grade glitter at all. Not even a little bit. Didn't know about cosmetic grade glitter. So what I ended up doing was I went to Walmart, and I got me a nice pack of glitter. Some of them are missing because, yes, this is nice and used. Honey, nice and used. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I still use these. But I really use the Super Glitters more now, because when these get in your eye, the pain you feel is on a new level. You know, you feel as though that your eye may get scratched out, fall on the ground, you know, in front of you or something, but it's okay. It's okay. I still use them because they stick on amazing. I'm not even gonna lie. The fallout is ridiculous on these. That I can definitely say, and I believe that this is one of the reasons why I do my eyes before I do my foundation, because I will have glitter everywhere. Everywhere, okay? So, I mean, if you want to start off with these, then you can. I believe it was about maybe $5 or $6 for the whole pack, so it's not bad, and it comes with 16 different colors. They're not all here. It's some white glitter, some dark green glitter. It's a lot going on here, but it's not necessarily the best way. No, it's just not the best way. I just go to Super Glitters. It's still affordable. It's not bad, but it's still affordable. You can get you know, some nice big size glitters to play around with, get to learn a little bit and stuff like that with, you know, the Super Glitters, because it is a cosmetic grade. Now the difference between this glitter and the cosmetic grade glitter is this is cut. This is not cut fine at all. It's too big. You know, it's for crafty things, and it's for art and, you know, paintings and things like that. It's not for your eyes. Let's just say that. Rather than, you know, the glitter from Super Glitters, it's super duper fine. Like, it literally almost feels like a powder. And when it gets in your eye, you can't feel it. You could literally like look in the mirror and see a glitter in your eye. You don't even know it's there. So it is much better. I'm gonna say that, yes. Now, just to pretty much get a little bit more into the beginners versus non-beginners and everything like that, my recommendation is, if you are a beginner at doing your makeup, glitter is forgiving. Very forgiving. A lot of people feel otherwise. You know, I was even told, oh, well, you shouldn't be using the glitter just yet until you know, figure out how to do everything else and blend all the way and everything like that. But one thing that I ended up learning was, if your eyeshadow is busted and you need a little fixer up, glitter does the job. I'm just saying, it does the job. It never failed me. Never failed me, not once. As long as you apply it properly and in the correct zone or area, I see no problems with that. I see no problems with that. Literally no problems with that. None. Absolutely none. No. I think that they are 100% amazing. Now, one thing that I had to learn the hard way, and I did have to do my research on it because I was stuck with doing it. I kind of got in the routine of doing it on a regular, like it was just what I knew. I had to learn that you can't just apply glitter with your lash glue. Yeah. Now, in case of an emergency, you have permission to apply it with your lash glue. But lash glue is not for that. It is called lash glue because it's lash glue, okay? It's not to apply your glitter to your eyelid at all. I used to have issues where the glitter would crease. It would dry out and it'll flake. It'll get really, really hard. It just all depends on what type of lash glue I was using. But it was not good. It was not good at all. Now, I have gotten my hands on some NYX Mixing Medium. Okay, NYX Mixing Medium is the best thing. MAC has one too that I heard is really, really good. I haven't tried it yet, but I will be getting some fairly soon. The Mixing Medium it's just, it, it does the job. You apply it, you let it semi dry, you apply your glitter, and the glitter is not spaced out. It just applies so evenly. One application, and you're good. The mixing medium is very easy to work with. It is more of like a watery gel texture, so it is something that you have to be careful with. Wherever you put it, honey, the glitter is gonna stick. So if you're doing like a cut crease or something like that, honey, you better stay within those lines when you apply that mixing medium, because if you get it on there, it is hard to get that glitter off of there. But it works so much better. So much better than Lash Glue. I had to learn that the hard way. But now when I look at my pictures, my old pictures compared to my new pictures, it's so much better. It's so much better. Like literally, it's not clumpy, it's not chunky. It's just fine. It's even, it's just on there, and I can see the full pigmentation of the glitters. It's not dulling them down. Sometimes I felt like the Lash Glue was dulling the glitter down as well, so that was something that I was like, you know, nobody wants dull glitter. That's the whole point of getting glitter and putting it on your eyes. That's the whole thing. Now, another glitter that I have tried was the NYX glitter. Now, the NYX glitter is good, but the only thing about this glitter is that it is so, like, it's so little. And I have to literally, like, pack it on so much. But this sticks to the skin like butter. Like, look at that. Isn't that pretty? I love that. That is so pretty. It's literally like a quick galaxy look, but I mean, when you go like this, it's like literally like gone. This doesn't last all day. I love it, but it doesn't last all day. Like, it does not last all day. It's so pretty when you put it on. It's even pretty, you know, when it starts to like fall off and things like that, but it's all in your foundation and your eyes just look like not how they did when you first did your makeup, like you had it on for a few hours, you know. But it's okay. It happens. It happens, and it's okay. It's all right. I still like that glitter. Still use it. You pretty much have to like almost put on 2 layers in order to get it to stick. That's how you get it to super duper stick. Now, some of the glitters that I ended up getting from Super Glitters, I really love. I have some major favorites. Now, one thing that I do want to touch bases on is the prisms. The prisms aren't necessarily, I like them, but at the same time I don't. They're a little hard to work with, for one. For two, it's not necessarily like a shiny glitter. It's more of a matte gradient type of glitter. So it's more of a gradient effect than anything, honestly. It's not necessarily what I would call a glitter, but they consider it to be a glitter on the Super Glitters website. But I mean, it is what it is. Those are not for beginners. If you are a beginner, please don't get that, and then don't go get that. Don't do that. Not for beginners. Stick to, if you're a beginner, iridescence will work, metallics will work, and regular glitters will work for you. Okay, for you. That's it. Let me see. My absolute favorites are these. My favorite glitters from Super Glitter. The first one is Pinktastic. Paragon Sky. in Golden Sun. Like, those are my hitters, okay? Like, if I'm going to do my makeup really, really quick and I need something that I know is going to be like over the top and extra, but I'm running late, I'm going to put on one of those three colors. Literally. Yes, the golden yellow. Yes, the golden yellow is so bomb when you put it on right. Let me tell you, like, it's just that serious. Like, my G is that serious. Like, it's that serious. But I just love the glitters. Like, I've always been a fan of the glitters. They make my day a better day. They're like my kids. You know, I take very good care of them, and I just absolutely love them. Now, when it came down to these bad boys here, get your glitter from Super Glitter, period. Because let me tell y'all this. This is good storage. You know, this I can open it and I can close it. It's very easy. I open it, you know, it's a twist top and you twist it right back. You twist it right back and it does what it's supposed to do. With these have no zip back. No zip back. No zip back. No. When you open those, how do you store them? I had to learn that the hard way too. Let me show you guys the tea. This is how I have those stored. Literally. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. Like, it's everywhere. And it gets everywhere. I didn't know how else to store them. I didn't know where to put them. It's no way for me to close them. And you could tell they're all cut, slanted from me opening them. Because you have to cut them open to open them. But once again, they wouldn't think that you'll be storing it because it's craft glitter. So how can I really be mad? But honey, I have nowhere else to put them but in my handy dandy situation. Like, good evening and good night. Thank you so much for watching, my lovers. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you check out my video on this bomb ass eye look. And don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. That is Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram for any upcoming alerts for any new videos. Bye, my lovers.